This is Future of Health, your window into what's next in healthcare. We break down the ideas and trends shaping tomorrow. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and your smartwatch flags a 92% probability that you are about to get sick before you even feel anything. And AI analyzes your blood markers in real time. Within hours, a treatment is designed specifically for your DNA and it's delivered to your home the same day. This isn't science fiction. This is where healthcare is heading because over the next decade, medicine and pharma are about to be completely redefined. In this video, we will explore what's broken in the healthcare today, the technologies changing it, and what pharma would look like by 2035. Let's start with reality. Today, bringing a single drug to market takes 10 to 15 years. The cost, on average, 2.6 billion per drug. And nearly 95% of drug candidates fail during development. That means fewer treatments, higher cost, and millions of patients waiting. Clinical trials alone can take 6 to 7 years, often struggling to recruit the right patients. At the same time, healthcare demand is exploding. By 2030, over 1.4 billion people will be above the age of 60. And chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart conditions are rising globally. The system is under tremendous pressure, and it was not designed for this scale. So the real question is, what if we could rebuild healthcare from scratch using technology? And that shift has already begun. So let's look at few shifts that are changing the future of healthcare. And shift number one is artificial intelligence. Traditionally, scientists test thousands, sometimes millions of molecules in physical labs. It's slow, expensive, and highly uncertain. But AI changes the game. Instead of testing molecules one by one, AI can simulate millions of compounds in hours. For example, AI systems have already identified drug candidates in weeks instead of years. According to MIT Technology Review, several AI-designed drugs are already in human clinical trials. Imagine what happens when this scales. Drug discovery timelines could shrink from 15 years to under 5 years. That's not just faster science. That's a completely different pharma industry. Let's move on to shift number two, personalized medicine. Today, most medicines are built for the average patient, but there is no average patient. Two people can take the same drug and get completely different outcomes. And that's where personalized medicines comes in. In the future, treatments will be designed for your specific biology. Technologies like CRISPR, gene editing, are already enabling scientists to edit DNA and target diseases at their root. We are seeing real breakthroughs. Gene therapies that treat rare genetic disorders, mRNA platforms that are being used in vaccinations, cell therapies that are reprogramming immune systems to fight cancer. So instead of treating symptoms, medicines could move toward curing diseases at the source. Shift number three, healthcare moves outside hospitals. Healthcare has always been centered around hospitals, but that's changing fast. Today, wearable devices can track heart rate, oxygen levels, sleep quality, and even continuous glucose levels. Some devices generate millions of data points per patient per year. Now, combine that with AI. Instead of diagnosing diseases after symptoms appear, systems can detect patterns weeks or months in advance. For example, AI models are already predicting heart conditions before clinical diagnosis. This is a shift from treating illness to preventing illness, and that could fundamentally reduce healthcare costs worldwide. Shift number 4, the convergence of tech and pharma. Another major shift is the collision between technology and pharma. Companies like Nvidia, Google, Amazon are investing billions into healthcare. And the reason is because healthcare generates some of the most valuable data in the world, and data powers AI. In the future, drug discovery becomes data driven, clinical trials become decentralized, healthcare becomes platform based. Pharma companies may start to look more like tech companies with biology capabilities, and the winners will likely be those who combine science with data and AI. So, coming back to our initial question, what does healthcare actually look like in 2035? Imagine this. You wake up, your wearable has already analyzed 8 hours of biological data, and AI flags early inflammation before symptoms begin. Your digital assistant schedules a test, results are processed instantly. A therapy is designed using your genetic profile, and it is manufactured using automated biotech systems, all within 48 to 72 hours. What used to take years now takes days. This is not a distant future. Pieces of this system already exist today. The next decade will define or redefine medicine. AI, gene editing, digital health, biotech innovation, all are converging faster than ever before. The pharmaceutical industry of 2035 will look fundamentally different, and those who understand these shifts early will shape the future of healthcare. Because the future of medicine, the future of healthcare is already being built. So, if you want to stay ahead of these changes, subscribe to this channel, and in the next video, we will cover, can AI actually invent new medicines? With that, I'm signing off. This is Future of Health, where tomorrow's healthcare begins today. Thanks for listening. Stay curious, stay healthy.